and I'm a CSUMB Service Learner for Monterey County Free Libraries, and today I will be showing you how to make these easy bath fizzies. So when you add these to your bath water, they're just gonna fizz and they smell like lemon.
So for this experiment, you'll need the following materials. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of unsweetened lemon drink mix. So I have like this unsweetened lemonade mix. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, or you can also use flour. I'm using cornstarch. Going to need 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Going to need 4 teaspoons of baby oil, or mineral oil will work as well. And then you're also going to need 2 bowls to mix the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I've added my dry ingredients to the bowl. So as you can see, we have the 4 teaspoons of baking soda, the 2 teaspoons of the powdered lemon drink, and then the 1 teaspoon of the cornstarch. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix these together. Just want to make sure that everything is fully combined. And if there's any lumps, big lumps of flour or cornstarch, then you're going to want to try to get those lumps out as well. And then lastly, we're going to add our 4 teaspoons of baby oil. Alright, and now we're going to mix this together. And if it looks too runny, you can always add a little bit more cornstarch. For me, I feel like it is a bit runny, so I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch. Alright, so I've just gone and I've added a little bit more cornstarch and I mixed it in. So what the consistency we're looking for is this sort of like paste-like texture that's slightly moldable. And then lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to take this mixture and we're going to fold like little balls out of it, and then we're just going to set them aside to dry. So I'm going to make a little ball with the paste. You definitely don't want to handle this for too long because the warmth from your hands will make it sticky again. But yeah. And then, now that you've made your balls, you're going to let these dry for 24 to 48 hours, and then they'll be ready to use.
I hope you enjoyed making these bath fizzies, and I hope you have fun using them as well. See you next time!